Under a brief description in the Complete My Requirements section is an Upload button. This is where you will upload your completed documents in order to check off your organization requirements. There are 2 steps to uploading your document. The first is uploading the document itself. Then you associate or attach that document to the requirement it corresponds to. You can do that as you are uploading the document or as a separate step. The first method in uploading your document is to choose the form you're wanting to add under Choose File. After you select your form, click Submit and you will be taken to the Save Document section. Give your document a name that will help you know what it is when you attach it to a requirement. Then, attach it to a requirement, add an expiration date if applicable, and click Save. If your document can satisfy more than one requirement, attach that document to all appropriate requirements. After all that is completed, you will be taken back to your profile homepage. The second method in uploading and attaching your documents is to go to Upload, choose a file to add, submit, and be taken back to the Save Document section. Instead of choosing a requirement to attach the form to, go ahead and click Save and be taken back to the profile homepage. Your uploaded document is now in a Documents folder and needs to be associated with a requirement. Go to the Complete My Requirements section, find the organization requirement you're wanting to add a form to, and click on the Attach button in the Member Input. You will be taken to an Attached Document section where you can add an expiration date if applicable and select your already uploaded form from the current available documents list. Hit Save when finished and you will be taken back to your profile homepage and be able to view your document status in the Complete My Requirements section. You will choose this method if the same document satisfies more than one requirement, since you will need to attach it more than once. If you need to remove an attached document from a requirement, go back to your organization requirements and in the Member Input section, click Unassign and it will remove your previously attached form.